to this video, and in this video we're gonna be unboxing those Modaozushi boxes, which I am so excited. They came today, so I was like, I have to unbox it right away because I just love those. I love blind boxes, and when it's combined with something that I love, which like Modaozushi, and I love Modaozushi, I love the Untamed, I love the anime, I love the TV show, I love the novels, so I am so freaking excited for this. So hopefully, so hard to get inside. Okay, we're getting this. By the way, this is bought from AliExpress, and it should be the genuine ones. I'm not sure about it, but honestly, as long as it looks good, I don't really care if it's the official ones or fake ones, to be like completely honest with you. But we will see. It's really small. I thought it's gonna be a bit bigger, but okay. By the way, if you want the link, just comment down below and I'll send this to you, so you could buy them. So you have all of those, which is so freaking adorable. I would really like the blue one. And ooh, the red one is really pretty. But honestly, all of those are cute. It's just like different colors. I'm just praying that we're gonna get one Weiwuxian and one Lanzhan, and hopefully they will match. But if they don't match, it's okay. It's like, I will survive. I will survive. So cute. Very small though. Look at it. It's like this on my hand. But it's adorable. So, oh, I'm not exactly sure how to unbox this, but we will figure it out. Okay, that's a sticker, obviously. Oh, it's like this. I don't think those are the original ones, but it's okay. Hopefully they will look good. No. No. Okay. Okay, that was satisfying. Okay, let's see which one do we get. Ooh. Oh, it's the blue Weiwuxian. It's like, it's this one. That's so cute. And I literally said that's one of the ones I want. I love blue color, so. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And this is like, I don't know what's it called, the material, but it's like, it looks like this. Very pretty. So small. But it looks so adorable. It's gonna look so pretty. Okay, now, please, Lanzhan. It doesn't have to be the same color, just give me Lanzhan. Okay. So just sticker. But it looks really good. The quality looks nice. Like the coloring and everything. You can look from close up like this. Oh, it needs to focus. But it looks very good. But I don't think it's these are the official ones, honestly. But I don't care that much. Okay, we are manifesting Lanzhan. We need to get Lanzhan. Okay. Oh my gosh, let's go. Thank God. It's not the same ones, but look at it. Both are blues. I actually find this adorable. I don't even care that they are not the same ones. I'm just happy I got Lanzhan and Weiwuxian. It would be so annoying to get like 2 Weiwuxians or 2 Lanzhans. Because, you know, we can't separate those babies. Oh my God. It's so cute. It's so like this. Oh, they are so small. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm obsessed. I am totally obsessed. Anyway, so if you want to buy them as well, just comment. I'll send you the link. But this is so, by the way, it's not sponsored or anything. It's just like, I know how hard it is to find like figures like this. And if you aren't, like, if you want them to be like in good quality, it's really hard. So if you want those, you can just comment and I'll send you the link so you can buy them as well. And I'm so happy because we get Weiwuxian and Lanzhan. Look at the baby. Oh, stay. Oh, no? Okay. Look at the babies. It's so cute. Okay, anyways. Oh, now they both fell. That would be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, you can give thumbs up, subscribe. And if you want those figures as well, just comment down below and I'll send you the link. And I love them. Oh my gosh, I love them. My loves. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. So bye. Look at the babies with the big Lanzhan. They look so adorable. It's so cute. I am obsessed. I love this. I love it.